Good morning, it's 5 a.m. I'm gonna start moving to the entrance to Pangrango mountain. It's about 2 kilometers away, 40 minutes walk, so maybe I can get a lift this time. And it's cold outside, this is the only warm clothes I have. And yesterday I slept at around 3:30 a.m. So I slept a bit more than 1 hour. So I don't know how I'm gonna climb for 11 kilometers hike, but let's go. And it's still dark outside. It's almost 6 a.m. I got 2 lifts. I have started trekking. The road is like this. I read that I had to buy a ticket, but I didn't see where, so maybe later there will be a checkpoint. Okay, see you later. And the view is like this, some fields. Quite a lot of people already. It's quite tiring. But I have a plan to go to both the mountains, Pangrango and Gede. I read on Google that if you are fit enough, you can go for 2 mountains in 1 day. And I think I'm fit good enough. Yeah, nice. Sunrise, local fields, beautiful, and forest. There are 3 paths to these mountains. Cibodas, what most of the tourists take. That is the most popular, the easiest and the most beautiful. And this is the second one, what I took. This is more steep, but the shortest one. It's Putri entrance. Cibodas, Putri, and the third one is the longest one from the other side of the mountain. Less people takes that because it's very muddy and the most difficult. This is also quite steep and I'm tired, but it's fine. So the way is always like this, roots everywhere, and I haven't made a single stop yet. I think I'm already more than halfway. Now it's flat, first flat part, nice, easy to walk. And I saw some camps, 1 camp on the way. I'll show you if there is something interesting, otherwise I will just see you at the top. The way is nice. Fallen trees, and the good is always in the shade. It's not hot, otherwise I don't know how we would be able to hike. So there will be a few more posts on the way, and there was a flat stretch. Now it's still pretty flat. Yeah, like this. Now you can walk peacefully and take rest. And I haven't made a single stop yet. So I reached the post 5 in just 2 hours. And according to Google there are 2 more hours to the mountain, to Mountain Gede peak. I think it's that one. I'm not sure. But I think I will make it in half an hour. Yeah, this is a camping spot, popular camping spot because it's an open area. And I should have taken videos on each post, so I'm gonna take at least now. Here is the map. I don't know what this is, but I think I started from here. So there are 5 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Hold on, I will check. I just checked Google, there are 5 posts. It seems like I started from here. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the shadow post. Then this is 4. We are here now, post 5, and the last is Mountain Gede, peak of Mountain Gede. So according to Google it takes 6 hours 15 minutes to reach this place, but I reached just in 2 hours. Because why? Because full power Ukrainian Cossack. And it's 2 more hours to the mountain peak, but I think it will take half an hour for me. This is the last part to the peak of the mountain, the steepest and the most difficult one. That's why it says it takes 2 hours for 700 meters. I reached the peak of the mountain Gede. It took me 3 hours and the view is amazing. So beautiful. I don't know what that is. Maybe some hot water, because there will be hot spring on the way back. If you take Cibodas entrance, I took another entrance.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, sure.
3, 3.
Yeah, okay. Taking pictures. Yeah, but I left Ukraine 7 years ago. Yeah, I live in Asia. India, China, Vietnam. Now I came to Indonesia 4 days ago, first time. Yeah, I like hiking, I like mountains. Then after this I will go to Lombok. Alright, some more videos. What is that? Is it from hot water?
Volcanic.
Volcanic. So that is a volcano here.
Yeah.
Ah, wow, nice. Okay, this is an active volcano. Cool. Some more photos. No problem. So let's go check what's there.
I photo with you.
Yeah, okay.
You are from
Ukraine.
Ukraine, yes.
One beach.
Yeah, okay. Okay, gonna show you more of the beautiful view.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. There is a way there. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. We are keep going to Pangrango mountain, which is I don't know how many hours from here. Maybe I think according to Google it's 3 hours. Oh, there is another view from this side. So Pangrango is that mountain? Okay. Pangrango is there, we are going there.
I don't know making noise.
More videos of the beautiful view.
Man, sandit kayo man.
And the view from a different angle. Nice, maybe we can swim there. Cool. Some bit of pieces of the way. The way down is very steep. Down and then probably up again to Pangrango. But nice and interesting. My legs hurt like a bitch. And there is some part with a rope, the steepest probably. Still,
India, bro.
huh?
Live in India.
Yeah, India, 4.5 years. The way is beautiful. The trees are covered in moss. We are still going down from the first mountain and then going up to Pangrango and then going down again this way and to Cibodas to chill in the hot spring. Okay, going up to Pangrango. This way is easier, at least in the beginning. Very nice track. A lot of fallen trees. Yeah, like here, a nest of wild bees in the tree. Cool. I think they don't bite. It's so nice, so beautiful. Look at this. And nice place to smoke on the tree. Cool. I'm so tired, I cannot feel my legs and the way is going steeper and steeper. So now it's gonna be just tree climbing. More of beautiful path. Oh, okay, I need to climb a little bit. And more of the way. Wow, cool. Again a little bit of climbing. Or maybe I can go that way. No, I need to go this way. The way becomes more beautiful and beautiful. More and more beautiful. Alright. Nice. And the path is like this. And goes there. God, when are we finally gonna reach the peak? I'm exhausted, I cannot walk anymore. I don't feel my legs, but it's so cool. Wow. can stop taking videos of this path. Now I can walk and take a video for a while. There are clouds already. We were there. I can take some videos here as well, and I hopefully am somewhere close to the peak. Whew. This is how it goes now. Look at these trees, all covered in moss. So nice. Yeah, I think I'm very close to the peak. I think maybe 5-10 minutes and I will reach. Yeah, we are on top.
Nice, mister.
Yeah, we nailed it. Here, 3000 meters. Whew, it was difficult. 1 p.m. it took 7 hours for 2 mountains. This mountain was without the view, but the track, the path was so cool and beautiful. Alright, not bad. The big screen is not working, only this small one.
Hati-hati bang.
Okay.
Turun lewat Cibodas, Cibodas aja. Berapa jam biasanya?
Alright. This is the way down. You can hear a waterfall. First, I'm gonna check the waterfall. God, I'm so exhausted. I don't feel my legs. And then after a waterfall a bit down, there will be a hot spring. Cannot wait for that. Crossing a bridge. Nice. The sound was from here, but I don't think this is the waterfall. I think the actual waterfall will be further. Somewhere there. Yeah. Here is the waterfall. Let's go see closer. Here is the waterfall. Not bad. The water must be cold. I can feel the cold air coming from it. Yeah, finally we reached the hot spring. Nice, I'm gonna chill here for a while. Good I left at 5 a.m. because it's already 4 and we just reached the hot spring. The water is steaming. Time with the hot spring. Not very hot. It's just warm, but good massage. And it seems like the way down is also quite far, so I have to go now before the sun goes down. Going down, otherwise I will need a headlight. And there is more hot water. Ooh, nice. Wow, seems warmer. But I need to keep my phone inside, otherwise I might lose it. The way was through these hot waterfalls and the water was really hot.